Hello guys! Here I show an alternative way to add revision cloud notes to your drawings. In this example, imagine you need a revision cloud here near the handle. Now let's copy this closed spline. And paste here in the reference shape sketch. Now we can edit the shape that will be our revision cloud, following the reference as a guide. Be careful to not force any sketch relation at this point. The spline points must be free to move. And don't worry about the cloud itself, as all the rest will be automatically updated. Now we can see how the revision cloud will look like. You can also do a live addition to it, as there are just few formulas involved in the process, and the rebuilding goes quick and smooth. Now we are ready to get the final shape. Copy and paste the revision cloud to our desired drawing position. Note that when we paste the spline shape into a drawing, it will be placed following the origins of the sketch into the same position in the drawing sheet. And after placing it, we can do any change to it, and then turn it into a block to keep it easy to control. And finally, the revision cloud is in its place in the drawing we want. Now let's take a closer look on how the cloud generator works. The length of the spline in the cloud final shape sketch is related to the circle diameter. To guarantee the cloud gets a correct repetition of the details and an acceptable contour when we apply it in a drawing view later. In the variable table, we can see the formulas involved in the automatic cloud shape creation. Base count variable will define how much detailed is the cloud, and the pattern formula determines a safe repetition so the solid creation has no issues. Basically, if you need more or less curves in your revision cloud, just change the base count variable according to your final cloud contour shape. That will depend on how large or small is the area in the drawing to be covered by it. Feel free to adjust the variables to your needs, and always edit the cloud final shape sketch to see how it performs for other sizes and level of detail. As always, thank you for watching and have a good day.